guys, welcome back to another video. Last time we left you in Litchfield National Park and now we're in Darwin.
So we're going to be here for the wet season. So we've got a few things planned while we're in Darwin. We've got a few upgrades to the car and caravan to do, which we're really looking forward to. So we'll keep you posted over the next few weeks.
Since we spoke to you last, we've actually joined a gym as well, so it's been keeping us busy. And like Bryce said, just been getting some things organised for the caravan.
So this morning, one of our family friends is taking us out in his boat. So I'm just coming out, grabbing a few things, getting everything ready, and most importantly, grabbing some beers. Go.
Got some bush tucker.
Couple seeds in that one.
What, we gotta hold these ones on?
Yeah. Yeah, these ones. That'll go up.
You go first.
Too hard. Yeah, the green one.
It's rock solid.
Oh my god.
Hang on,
It is hard, that one.
Yeah, they're the ones. Oh.
Tastes like shit.
Here we go.
Crap.
Not wrong. Keep on.
We're back from the boat now. We had a really good day out with Ken. We saw some crocodiles and a heap of wildlife as well out on the water. It was really fun, and now we've just come back to a nice stormy afternoon. It's one of our first storms for the season. Just been thundering and lightning. I reckon it's settled in for the day. This morning we've come down to Howard Springs Nature Park. So you've got the big spring here, and you can actually see where the water's coming up over there. You've got a bit of a man-made... Oh, yuck. Oh, gross. I hate goannas. Yuck, can you see it? Alright, you can take the GoPro, Bryce. I can't handle that.
He's just had to pee then too.
Oh, yuck.
Let's go see him. Chelsea's over here freaking out.
I'm not coming any closer.
Smile for the camera.
I'm actually on edge now because I'm scared I'm going to see another goanna or a snake or... Stop it. Wait, no, that's the dad.
Yeah. Check this big boy out. It's a risk I'm gonna have to take. And of course, when we got here, it didn't take me long to find the flying fox. See ya. Oh, I just dragged my ass on the ground. So we're up pretty early this morning. We're going to head to Jabiru this morning, which is the start of Kakadu, to go check out Cahills Crossing. It's a bit of a day trip. but it's one of the only things you can sort of do in a day trip from Darwin. Because Kakadu's so big, we'll just
do a little bit at a time. We've got one of our friends, Luke, coming with us this morning as well. His partner's working, so he said he might as well jump in and come along. Making banana pancakes this morning as well.
Toll-free, 64 air raids were launched against the city.
I feel like I'm back on a school camp or excursion. Learning about everything. On your way out to Kakadu National Park, if you stop at the Corroboree Tavern, there's a couple enclosures here. So the first one's got a boar in it and some water buffalo, and the other one's got a crocodile. So we just stopped in here, get some fuel and stuff, and checking them out. There's some little wallaby kangaroos over here. I don't think they're meant to be in this enclosure. They must live in there with them.
Yeah, I reckon. What, the kangaroos?
Yeah, the kangaroos.
Yeah.
You'd think the bull would get them. The boar. Oh, hey man.
What's going on?
He's freaking huge.
Oh yeah.
Imagine hitting that with your car or something.
Tusks on him. Come on over. Say good day.
Alright, well Brutus is having a snooze in there. I told Bryce just to hop in and get him out.
Paddle in the water.
That's alright, we're hopefully going to see lots more salties today anyway.
Not a man bag, it's a satchel. Indiana Jones has one.
Every time you look, you see more. There's some big boys out here too. I'd be pooping my pants if I was there.
What?
Look at these two together. Have a look at them. So here's a boat ramp, and a big croc just went under the water just here. Yeah, because look how murky it is just under there. Don't go too close.
So what's cooking? Good looking?
Alright, so we got curry, chicken curry, and we've put some mango in it because we've just got massive influx of mango in this caravan. And some veggies steamed in my amazing little veggie steamer. Been in Darwin for 3 weeks now, and we keep complaining how we want to swim in the ocean and we can't because of stingers and crocs and sharks. And then we've come down to the waterfront, which is like the main attraction, I guess, in the city, and you can swim. There's also a big wave pool over there. Alright, we're definitely coming back for a swim in a couple days.
So these are the World War II oil tunnels that they actually never used in World War II.
Well, no, by the time they got them built, they just didn't
Didn't need them.
It's cool down there. I don't like this. This is creepy as.
What is that?
Oh, it looks like a horror movie. It's really hot in here as well. You can probably see how much I'm sweating. So I can't imagine what the people would have gone through digging this like by hand. You would have been cooking down here. It said there was a steam shovel, made the humidity unbearable at 90%.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Being down here with a shovel and a pick. Yeah, I can't do it on a good day.
City. It's freaky as. So no one even knew about these tunnels until 1992.
Yeah, well after Cyclone Tracy happened.
Oh, okay.
This just goes to show how much groundwater is actually in the ground in Darwin. This is in one of the tunnels and the water is actually pouring in. Oh, that's crazy, and that's what caused one of these tunnels to actually burst. It had a 6-metre gash in the middle of the bottom of one of the tanks because the water just pushed up from the bottom and made a big hole through it. So Chelsea's about to drop me out the front. We're going to meet up with mate of ours, Ken. It's bucketing down with rain, so she's dropping me out the front. He's picked me up and we're going to go goose shooting, hopefully. So we'll see what we can find. It's a bit rainy, so we're going to get wet, but it should be cool. Thanks, hon. So just got my first goose, so coming and flying over the top here. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Actual wicked. First time shooting a goose. So that's cool. So they come out here and there's a big field. That's Ken over here. And they just wait for him to fly in and pick them off. Good fun. Just prepared the goose schnitzels. So cut them up into nice thin bits and crumbed them. And then have them with some sweet potato fries. Should be pretty good.
I hope so.
Don't really know what to expect because we've never done it before, and Ken, who I went out shooting with, he actually hasn't cooked them before or eaten them yet, so he hasn't been doing it too long. So
and it's a really dark red meat. Like, I didn't want to touch them because I thought it looked like liver, like it was that red and dark. So,
but I've read some good things online about schnitzels, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, give it a go. Alright, it's the moment of truth.
Looks alright. Hope it's like beef schnitzel.
Is it chewy?
Tastes just like beef schnitzel.
Oh, really?
Mm.
Oh, sick.
It's actually pretty good.
Alright, you can go out more often then.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll give it a go now. I'm really scared. This tastes like beef.
It's actually quite good.
Yeah, that is good. Something we've wanted to get done to the van since we bought it is the front. So there's this real ugly like leather vinyl thing on here. And it's starting to like pull in the corners. Anyway, it's really ugly. So what we're doing is we're getting checker plate on it. So it's like an aluminium. So I'm pretty excited about that, and that's happening tomorrow. So what we have to do is take everything out the front boot, which is a bit of a mess. And we found this little tent. So we're gonna put it in the tent, and then hopefully if it rains, all of our stuff won't get damaged. I was thinking we could just keep this up, Bryce, and you can just sleep out here overnight.
I can sleep in it, you reckon?
Yeah.
You'll be out here. You're the one that snores.
You're the one who sleep talks and farts. So this is a mess in our front boot, and this is what we're going to fit in our little tent. It's not even 3 o'clock and he's on the beers. Someone actually left this tent in the camp kitchen here at the Free Spirit, and we took it just in case we needed it because it wraps up really small. And good thing we did. It's going to come in heaps handy.
Okay. It's been a couple of weeks since we've posted anything.